This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11, and it words through the Holy Scriptures. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall there be from heaven. And this is 2nd Ezra, chapter 9. Verse 2nd Ezra, chapter 9, verse 2. It says, "Then thou shalt understand it is at very same time when the highest will begin to visit the world which he made." Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders of Great Millstone for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. Say shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out of the scriptures that I just brought out and pertains to this news article. And this is from NBCnews.com in the weather category, and it reads, "Multiple reports of tornadoes as rare June severe weather outbreak hits southeast. The risk continues Thursday for nearly 4 million people across the Gulf Coast, and the Florida Panhandle hazards will include damaged hails and gusty winds." And it's a video clip that I'm about to play. And this was published June 14, 2023 at 10:52 a.m. Last updated June 15, 2023 at 1:23 a.m. Published by Catherine Prorsif, Jake D. Rez, and Phil Hels. So if I pronounce his name right, from NBCnews.com, which is published by them. And see if I can be able to play this video clip. As it says, tens of millions in southern U.S. hit by severe weather.
Sadie switched to Verizon. Now she has my plan, the first unlimited plan where she chooses exactly what she wants and only pays for what she needs. She picks her perks and saves on every one, all with an incredible new iPhone. Act now and get iPhone 14 Pro Max on us when you switch. It's your Verizon.
Tonight, torrential rain, dangerous winds, and tornadoes tearing through the South. Reports of at least 6 tornadoes in Alabama, Georgia, and Texas, including this one appearing to touch down in South Georgia. Warnings continued in several states throughout the afternoon.
So we've got a lot of lightning strikes here across the area, so definitely stay away from those windows.
The wall to this office in Alabama gone, now lying next to the building, while inside debris is scattered throughout the cubicles.
Trailer started wobbling real bad, so we all just had to hunker down and try to just ride it out.
In Louisiana, downed trees piling up and mangled power lines. Heavy rain in the region not just causing a flood risk, but slowing down traffic on major highways. On this interstate in Arkansas, pounding rain and damaging winds limiting visibility. Tens of millions at risk for severe weather tonight, from Texas to Florida. The damage already done in Alabama as fast-moving storms knock down trees. Hail, a concern in many states, already coming down in Mississippi.
And there's a potential for even more damage and destruction as the South braces for another round of severe weather overnight. Lester?
Kathy Park, thanks. Bill Cairns joins me now. Bill, how bad is the lingering threat looking like tonight?
Yeah, good evening, Lester. We're halfway through the severe weather outbreak. Already 100,000 people without power, and we had a report of a 5-inch hailstone in Mississippi, which could tie the state record. That's a softball falling from the sky. So severe weather threat goes from Dallas all the way to Savannah. We're going to have isolated tornadoes through the night and a lot of possibilities of wind damage. That'll be the biggest concern. These are the areas of greatest concern: Mississippi, Alabama, into areas of Georgia, and then dropping down towards the Gulf Coast later on this evening. But even late tonight, Dallas and Little Rock, you're going to have isolated storms right through your evening. And as far as air quality, the smoke is back. This is the worst air quality ever measured in the Twin Cities. And this is from the fires in Canada once again. And we're also watching that heat in Texas. This is a heat wave lasting towards the weekend.
Bill Cairns, thank you.
Tonight, attorney